So, hello everyone and welcome to the first video of 2024. Today, I'm going to be using this thing. So before we start the pressure washer, we're going to sort the chain out first. Once it's done, we'll get on to the fun bit. Now a lot of you are going to call me crazy because you're not meant to do a how you clean the chain, but this is how I'm going to do it. And I am noticing that my chain needs to be tightened soon, so I'm going to get on that at some point. But anyway, it's time to clean the chain. From what I've seen, you clean the chain, then you brush wash the rest of the bike. Now that's the cleaner. Chain cleaner, this one. Professional, I swear. Enough. And then this is what I do. I'm not doing it the proper way. It's just this. I'm sure I'm making people very angry right now. I will learn to do it properly, I promise. Oh, lovely. I don't know if you can see that. Lovely. Right, that'll do. Right, with that done, it's time to sort this out. So, from what I understand, we have, let's go behind the camera so I can see how much we have motorcycle cleaner, and then that goes on to this snow foam lace. So yeah. Open it up. Now it's got one of these plasticky things on it. Can I get through it? Where's the keys? In my pocket. Look. Sure, I'll make sure I get all of it off so it doesn't go into the pressure washer. That would be ideal, I would suppose. Yeah. There. Right. See if I can do this on camera for you. There we go. So that goes in there like that. Oh, it goes on there. There we go, camera. You can do it. And voila. That is now on. Right. I have already tested the pressure washer. It does work. Thank God. Take this off. Oh no. Yes. How do I get this one off? Don't remember. Help.
A few moments later.
Crisis averted. We've done it. So it's time to switch this on and see if that. Oh, it's no fun, looks. Right. Ah, why have you cut out again? You haven't, okay. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. Right, let's set up your time lapse. No, don't fall over, no, please. No, please don't fall over. Please. I'm still lover. Oh, whatever.
well then, I certainly think it looks a lot shinier now than it did, but then again that could just be placebo. So that's basically it. Yeah, that was quite fun. I'll have to use it on the car at some point because it's got 3 different types of pressure lances or whatever they are. So they've got, in fact, I'll come over and show you. So the one I've got on is, go on camera, you can do it, you can focus on it. Oh dear, this is very professional. Motorcycle. And then we've got Muc-Off and bicycle, so I'm assuming that's the car one. Or the very dirty one, which would be fine for cars. Yeah. Oh, my number plate. Oh, edit that out. Oh. So yeah, I'll do the chain, but I won't bother doing that on camera, so let me know what you think. I know this video was a bit short and a bit random, but here we are. So thank you for watching, and have a good new year.